It's about to go down. Hope everybody's having a good Friday. It is officially Miller time. So we're about to do a drawing. If you don't already know, I have a YouTube channel, and every single month I am going to be doing a drawing for all the individuals who are currently subscribed to the Exit 160 YouTube channel. So there's only 2 requirements to be able to get in the drawing, and that is to be a part of the Exit 160 Facebook group and also subscribe to the Exit 160 YouTube channel. So we're going to start in a few moments. In the meantime, I'm going to be doing a little bit of drawing. Hopefully we can get a few more people on the live today. Jay Chung, what it do, man? You gotta get together, man. Real soon. So yeah, The Mandalorian is gonna be premiering for its 2nd season next week. So I'm doing a little drawing of The Mandalorian. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. Big Chief, what's good? So I'm not gonna be on here long, guys, because my son has a football game I gotta get to, but I wanted to pull you guys in. Again, this is gonna be for a monthly drawing. If you are subscribed to the Exit 160 YouTube channel, you're going to get entered into this contest where I am going to draw names, and whoever's the winner, I'm going to draw a picture of you as a superhero or a superheroine. So I'm going to do a series. I'm going to do 3 drawings. Whoever's the first place winner, you're gonna have about 48 hours to answer my email or DM. If I don't hear anything back to you, it's gonna go to the 2nd and 3rd place winner. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and kick this thing off real quick. The time is 18:05. All right, guys, so here's my big wheel right here. Who's gonna be the big winner? All right, hey, Kenn Woods, you are the winner of the 1st annual superhero drawing. So Kenn Woods, you are the winner. I will be posting, I will be contacting you shortly to get all the details. All right, so what we're gonna do is this. So Kenn comes off of the board. If Kenn doesn't respond, who's gonna be the 2nd place winner? Let's go to 4. Miguel, you're 2nd place, man. Caban, Let me write these names down so I don't forget. I'm getting old, guys. All right, we're going to do one more. So who's going to be third place winner? Who's going to be the third place winner? Third place winner is Ike Battle, Brother Battle. All right, guys, so the first place winner was Kenn Woods, second place was Miguel Caban, and third place was Ike Battle. All right, so I'm going to contact Kenn, and if he doesn't respond, then it's going to go to the second and third place winner. I'm going to be doing this every single month. All right, so this is the first round. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the Exit 160 YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Now, in order for you to get entered into the contest, you have to make sure that your YouTube profile is set to public. All right, so by default, when you set up a new account for YouTube, it goes to private. All right, so go into your privacy settings and set your profile to public to be able to be entered in November's drawing. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a great Friday. All right, drink and be merry, but be safe out there. Talk to you later.